Welcome to our channel. If you're passionate about woodworking and looking to create beautiful home decor pieces while earning some extra income, you've come to the right place. If you enjoy our content, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. It really helps us grow and continue providing valuable insights. In this video, we will delve into how woodworking can enhance your living space and transform into a profitable venture. From crafting unique furniture to designing decorative items, the opportunities are endless. Let's explore how your woodworking skills can not only beautify your home, but also generate income. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into techniques, market trends, and tips for success in the woodworking business. The market for home decor is continually evolving, with current trends focusing on sustainability, minimalism, and artisanal craftsmanship. Many consumers are drawn to eco-friendly materials and practices, making woodworking a natural fit. By sourcing reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood, you can cater to this growing demographic that values environmental consciousness. Additionally, the rise of social media has amplified the demand for unique, eye-catching decor that stands out in digital spaces. Before diving into selling your creations, it's essential to hone your woodworking skills. Start with smaller projects to build confidence and technique. Online tutorials, workshops, and community classes can provide valuable guidance. As you gain experience, focus on refining your style and identifying your niche within the home decor market. Once you feel comfortable with your skills, start building a portfolio of your work. High-quality photographs of your projects will showcase your craftsmanship and style, making it easier to attract potential customers. Consider creating a website or social media accounts dedicated to your woodworking. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for visual content, allowing you to reach a broader audience. With a portfolio in place, it's time to market your products. Local craft fairs, farmers markets, and home decor expos are excellent venues for selling your work and networking with other artisans. Online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Shopify also provide opportunities to reach a global audience. When marketing your products, emphasize the uniqueness, quality, and craftsmanship of each piece. Setting the right price for your products is crucial for profitability. Consider the cost of materials, time spent on each project, and overhead expenses when determining your prices. Researching similar items in the market can help you gauge appropriate pricing levels. Remember that customers are often willing to pay a premium for handmade, high-quality items, especially if they are unique. Share your story as a woodworker, why you started, your creative process, and the inspiration behind your designs. Authenticity resonates with consumers, especially in a market that values handcrafted goods. As you grow your woodworking business, consider developing a brand identity. This could include a logo, cohesive color schemes, and consistent messaging across all platforms. A strong brand helps establish recognition and trust with customers. Share your story as a woodworker, why you started, your creative process, and the inspiration behind your designs. Authenticity resonates with consumers, especially in a market that values handcrafted goods. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insights on woodworking and home decor. Your support means a lot to us, and we look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you. Happy woodworking!